All right, guys, you're looking at a 6 top teeth. This is a custom grill. It's 925 sterling silver with gold plating, diamond dust finish. Look at that nice shine. Here's the back side. All right. You can get this on our website, blingcartel.com. You get beautiful handmade work. You can do a top, you can do bottom, you could do a top and bottom set. This is a very popular style. Check that out. Looks like it's diamonds, but it's called diamond dust. It's the way the grill is cut and notched. Gives it that nice, beautiful look. Check it out, blingcartel.com. Two-tone diamond dust custom grills. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.